Have you ever believed a health tip that turned out to be completely wrong? Today, we're busting 4 common health myths that millions still follow. And the truth will surprise you. Myth number 1. Drinking 8 glasses of water a day is a must. The truth? Everyone's hydration needs are different. Your body's thirst signals are more accurate than a fixed number. Foods, climate, and activity all play a role. Myth number 2. Crunches will burn belly fat. Spot reduction is a lie. Crunches strengthen muscles. But fat loss happens through overall calorie balance and movement, not by targeting one body part. Myth number 3. Carbs are always bad. Not true. Whole carbs like oats, fruits, and brown rice fuel your body with steady energy. It's refined sugars and highly processed carbs that cause the real problems. Myth number 4. Detox drinks flush toxins out. Your body already has a detox system. Your liver, kidneys, and lungs. No drink will magically cleanse you. What truly helps is balanced nutrition, sleep, and regular activity. So next time you see a quick fix, or a so-called secret hack, remember this. Health is built on consistency, and simple healthy habits. And before you go, did you know that over 95% of our viewers aren't subscribed to the channel? We totally get it, life gets busy, and sometimes it's easy to forget. But here's the thing, subscribing is completely free, and it really helps us keep creating the content you enjoy. So why not hit that subscribe button and join our community? It only takes a second, but it makes a world of difference to us. Thank you for your support. Stay curious, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.